Hey, guess what time it is? Guess what time it is? It's goo time!
Oh my god, Daddy! It's raining goo!
From out of the sky, goose. No need to ask why. That's right, folks. It is raining Goojitzus. Why is it raining Goojitzus, Poppy?
We got a package in the mail.
Oh yeah, Moose Toys has sent us. What the? Has sent us a new Goojitzu. I don't even know what this is. We're gonna have to open it to see. Griff, man, get in the picture, Griff. Everybody wants to see. We got Bodie. We got Griffey over here. We got Pop Stop. The whole family. It's been so long since we got a free toy. Everybody's here to see what's going on. Oh, what's going on? All right, Bodie.
Wait, can I see that?
Okay. Oh my gosh, we got two, baby. Two. Okay, we've got two new goos. All right. Who's ready for this? This is our new flavor. Wait a minute before we continue. Puppy, move your head a little bit. Okay. If you see this back here, it is our new snake. Our ball python. At the end of this video, if you watch the whole thing.
I'm the snake, guys.
If you watch this whole thing, we are gonna let our snake play in our Goojitsus. You gotta see it. So you get to see the snake. Who wants to pop these? Bodie, do you want to pop these?
I want to. No!
Bodie, do you want to pop these? Alright, let's see which ones we've got.
Oh my god!
Oh, it's Blazagon! But wait, this is a deluxe. Stretch Striker Deluxe Blazagon. I'm gonna get a close-up for you all, like a nice wholesome one in just a second here. But check it out, baby. He's got a goo weapon. I think he's gonna make, wait. Oh! 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 Wait, you Blazagon burps? I don't even know what that was. Do you guys, what do you think that was?
Open
a roar?
it.
Oh, he's got so many different noises. Woo! Okay, wait, we got another one here.
We've got Rock Jaw!
Oh, we've got Rock Jaw. Look at his. Oh, sorry. This is another new Stretch Striker. Griff, check it out. You look. Oh, wait a minute. I want to let you guys know. We've got one other new one since we saw you last, and it is Mr. Beast.
Let me touch him.
What, the Beast? All right. That's our new Mr. Beast, by the way. Okay. Griffey.
He has pink lightning bolts in it.
Which one should we open first? So, I'm going to do some B-roll here. I'll do a little B-roll. Look. Wow. These are the other guys that you can get. That Black Knight Orbitox has got to happen. That new Pantaro looks crazy, too. All right, so these are our new Stretch Strikes. Let's see what this is about. You ready, Griff? What? Oh! Oh my gosh, Griff, show me that muscle face again. Show me the muscle. All right. You hand it over to Pop. Stop. Pop, rip it. Oh! She's got it, folks. That's that wrestling energy. Oh my goodness. Some serious stretch there. Some serious stretch. All right. Let's get up close and personal. Wait, hold it up. Let me see what it's got in there. Whoa, look at that swirling miasma. One more time, Pop. One more time. I got to see it again. Oh, wait. I'm going to hold it like that, Pop. I'm going to get close. Okay. Whoa, look at that, guys. The universe is in. Oh! All right, so here we go, guys. This is a new Rock Jaw. Whoa, wee-wah. He looks like he's ready for a weapon, so he can hold the other guy's weapon. He's got on that sweet armor. Bodie's got it now. Bodie, you want to see what the goo looks like?
Give me it.
Bodie's curious about this one. Okay, Poppy is ripping open our second one. Whoa, wee, wah. Now I got to see these muscles that you're famous for. Oh.
Can I have it?
Okay.
No.
All right, Griff Man's got this one for the disc. Oh, wait, stretch that weapon out for us again, Griff. What the? Looks like, it does look like something you could eat. Oh, wow, more miasma. Stretch test. Doing, 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 doing.
You know I get better.
All right, Poppy, show it to us. Oh my gosh. One more time. Let me get a close up of that. No. Oh, magical. No.
If you do not like and subscribe, Krabby will eat you.
Yeah, it's true. That is actually a fact. Krabby will eat you. So, and the cow agrees. Let's get this ball python. All right. Did you unlock it, Pop?
Okay, definitely out. This is not the time for me.
All right. Let's see where he is. Is he under that? Yeah. Okay. So when you pick up your ball python, folks, you definitely, especially with this one, want to come at him from the back. This guy is a touch feisty. I'm just gonna say, oh! And there you saw it. Did you see that strike? He's a touch feisty. Poppy, do not make him strike Mr. Beast. I think he likes it, you guys. I think he really likes it.
Oh my god!
It's a little too crazy in here for this guy. So we are gonna put him back where he can be comfortable. Bodie, what's in there? What is it?
Banana snake.
Banana snake. Thanks, Moose Toys. We love it. You can't have my weapon. That's my weapon.
Ain't nobody tell me what weapon I can and can't have.
You did not like and subscribe, so now I'll eat you. Only if we get 50,000 views, I will show the apps on my iPad. Only if we get 50,000.
Spoiler alert, it's Roblox.
No!